Gotta turn off the gas line.
Now it is.
Okay, this is the part that's the piece that needs to be replaced. It's all bored out from the bearings being bad. We're going to replace this. So we're going to take the tension off this pulley here. Remove the belt like such. And this doesn't even have the clip on it. It's down here. Broken. So wipe this clean. Remove this washer. Wipe it clean. And now, get that down there. Here's how you remove this clip. It's plastic, rubber maybe. Just pop it off without trying to break it. we're using this replacement part, but we're only replacing the wheel, so we're going to take it off the replacement part. Make sure you place this washer and put this on first, right on that pulley there. Now we're going to get some grease, some bearing grease. I'll grease up this shaft so it runs smoothly. And then a little bit in here. And then slide this back on. Should turn smoothly. And then pop our little clip back on. And there it is. Make sure it turns freely and everything works properly. Put the belt back on. Have to run it over top of the pulley and around the motor. And then we got a line to make sure the belts are lined up with the tub. Give it a few turns, make sure it's all lined up and turns. That's it. And now to put everything back together. Gas line. Everything else on. This gas line right here. Now on the inside. Slide it in like so, and it should snap on. It goes like that, and then line this little plastic tab up like that. It slips under this over. This ledge slips under the front, so you want to slide it in the front first, like so. These only go on one way, one post is smaller than the other. Just plug them back together. There's a groove. Pop that back in like so. And this screws in here, and it's the largest screw of all the screws that were removed. And it's a ground and it screws to the back right here. Cover. This little circle is for this plug. Pop these grooves in first. Slide that up. on the bottom, above the vent. It's a little hard to get to. And that's it. Reconnect your gas line, put gas tape on here to prevent any leaks, make sure it's tight, turn on your gas line, plug it in, test it out. That's it.